EKWBP, Shogun aboard. Your learning journey starts now. Alright, let's dive straight into the deep end. Forget the usual buzzwords for a second. What if I told you that the next big revolution isn't about faster chips or bigger datasets? It's about meaning itself. We're talking semantic innovation, creating value not just by connecting things, but by fundamentally changing how we understand and connect ideas. This is where the DIKWP framework, data, information, knowledge, wisdom, purpose, becomes our Rosetta Stone for navigating this new landscape. So, how does an idea actually travel from your brilliant brain to a world-changing application? Enter the DIKWP times DIKWP model. Think of it as a high-speed translator between human thought and machine logic. One side is your conceptual space, the other is the semantic space of the digital world. The innovation doesn't just jump, it climbs the DIKWP ladder on your end, then gets mapped layer by layer onto the recipient's system. From raw data to purposeful action, this model tracks the whole journey. But here's the kicker. It only works if the meaning stays consistent. No distortion, no loss in translation. That's semantic consistency, the bedrock of reliable innovation flow. Now, who gets credit when lightning strikes twice in the digital realm? Especially with AI churning out content left and right. We need a new sheriff in town, semantic sovereignty. It's your right to own your ideas, expressed precisely in the digital space. How do we prove it? Semantic fingerprinting. Each innovation gets a unique ID, timestamped on a blockchain, like a digital deed. No more ambiguity. And because the DIKWP model breaks down contributions layer by layer, we can see exactly who added what, from the initial spark to the final purpose. Developer A gave the core idea. Developer B built the code. Company C commercialized it. Everyone gets their slice, tracked and transparently distributed. Fairness, finally, baked into the system. Okay, so we know what it is, how it travels, and who made it. Now, the million-dollar question: how much is it worth? Forget just counting eyeballs or checking supply chains. We're pricing based on semantics. First, semantic scarcity. Is it truly unique or just another remix? High scarcity means high value. Then, cognitive alignment. Does it fit easily into existing minds, or is it a paradigm shift? Easy adoption is great, but disruptive potential is gold. Next, chain depth. Does this one innovation spark 1,000 more? That's platform value. We combine these with a semantic value index across the DIKWP layers and factor in market demand. It's a dynamic equation. Price equals F of S, C, L, V, M. This isn't a static tag, it evolves with real-world impact. Let's talk fairness. Traditional economics often leaves someone holding the bag. Symmetrical economics aims for balance. Imagine an AI co-creation platform. A human provides the creative theme, the AI drafts text, another human adds facts, and an editing AI polishes it. Using our semantic blockchain, every contribution is tagged, every layer accounted for. When the final piece sells, the revenue isn't just pocketed by the platform. Smart contracts automatically distribute the earnings according to the quantified contribution at each semantic level. Journalist gets 50%, drafting AI 30%, editing AI 20%. Everyone gets paid for their specific value add. It's peer-to-peer, transparent, and ensures no one gets a free ride while others are exploited. This builds trust and incentivizes genuine contribution. So, where does this all lead? Everywhere. AI collaboration, open education platforms, global research networks, content sharing ecosystems. The principles are already being applied. The key is building the governance, standards, ethical guidelines, legal frameworks, and international cooperation. It's about fostering an open, fair ecosystem where true innovation thrives. The future isn't just digital, it's semantically rich. The ball is in your court now.